Good morning, everyone. Today I want us to tap into multiplication and division of sets. Let's start off here. The square root of 2 is equals to what? 1.414. The square root of 3 is equals to 1.7320. Right? What about the square root of 16 is what? Is 4. Square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 81 is 9. Right. Here we got a decimal fraction and also a decimal fraction. So as a result, we call these sets because we didn't get a whole number. We don't get a whole number here. We get what? A decimal fraction. But here we got whole number. In fact, we got whole numbers. So those values, we call those values perfect squares. Okay? We call them perfect squares. Right? Now, what is the square root of 8? The rule says we need to find the factors of 8 that consist of what? A perfect square multiplied by a prime number. So factors of 8, we know that 8 multiplied by 1 equals 8, 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. So we cannot take this. Why? Because 8 is not a perfect square. Then we rather take 4 and 2, because 4 is a perfect square and 2 is what? A prime number. Therefore, this will be the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of 2. Then we need to split this. This is the same as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2. Now, what is the square root of 4? Is 2 multiplied by square root of 2. Then the answer is 2 root 2. That is the answer. We cannot simplify the square root of 2. We are going to leave it like that and get 2 root 2. That's how we do it when we multiply sets. Okay? Now, what is the square root of 18? The square root of 18. Someone will say we can find factors by writing 6 multiplied by 3. I agree. Another one will say 9 multiplied by 2. I agree. Both of them give us what? 18. But we are going to take those factors that consist of a perfect square and a prime number, which is this one. It's gonna be what? 9 multiplied by the square root of 2. Then we split the 2 here, we get 9, square root of 9 multiplied by the square root of 2. Then we simplify the square root of 9, we get 3 multiplied by the square root of 2. Then the answer is 3 root 2. That is the answer. We cannot take these factors because 6 is not a what? A perfect square. So this will not be taken. Okay? Right. Let's quickly go to the questions now. Right, number 1 says 2 root 5 multiplied by 3 root 5. We just need to multiply the outside. We get what? 2 multiplied by 3, we get 6 multiplied by that. Now, what is the square root of 5 multiplied by the square root of 5? This is the same as 5 raised to 1 over 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 1 over 2. Okay? Now, rule number 1 of what? Of the laws of exponents say, when multiplying exponents of the same basis, we take one base. We keep one base and add the exponents. Okay? So we keep the base, and here we are adding two fractions, which have got what? Two same denominators. You take one denominator and add the two, the numerator, which is 1 plus 1, and the answer is 2 over 2, which is 5, because 2 over 2 is 1. So when multiplying two roots of the same, the answer is that root is 1, so then we get 8. Okay, so now let's quickly go to number 2. Number 2 says the square root of 72 divided by the square root of 8. Right? Factors of 72, a perfect square multiplied by a prime number. This is going to be what? The square root of 36 multiplied by 2 over, we know 8 is what? Is 4 multiplied by 2. Now we split the 2 there. There is square root of 36 multiplied by square root of 2 over square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2. Then, what is the square root of 36? Is 6 multiplied by square root of 2 over, what is the square root of 4? Is 2 multiplied by square root of 2. Now, this will cancel, will remain with 6 into 2 is 3. That is the answer. Okay? Number 3. Number 3 says 2 root 12 multiplied by 3 root 8. You keep the 2 and say, okay, I know that 12 is 4 multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3. 8 I know is 4 multiplied by 2. And this is the same as 2 multiplied by square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 2. This is the same as 2 multiplied by the square root of 4 is 2 multiplied by square root of 3 multiplied by 3. The square root of 4 is 2 multiplied by the square root of 2. Then 2 by 2 is 4 square root of 3 multiplied by 3 by 2 is 6 square root of 2. Okay? Then let's multiply these 2. We get 24. 3 by 2 is 6. And that is the answer. Okay? Now we go to number 4. Number 4 says the square root of 94, sorry, that's the square root of 98 divided by the square root of 8. We know that 98 is what is 49 multiplied by 2, because 49 is a perfect square and 2 is a prime number. Divide by the square root of 8, which is 4 multiplied by 2. And this is the same as the square root of 49 multiplied by the square root of 2. All over the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of 2. The square root of 49 is 7 multiplied by the square root of 2 over the square root of 4 is 2 multiplied by the square root of 2. Then the square root of 2 will cancel the square root of 2. We remain with 7 over 2. That is the answer. Then we go to the last one. Number 5 says the square root of 6 multiplied by the square root of 3 multiplied by the square root of 2. Divide by 3 multiplied by 2. Right. Let's keep the square root of 6 as it is and multiply the 2 here, we get square root of 6, because 3 by 2 is 6. All over 3 by 2 is also 6. Then now we know that multiplying 2 square root will get that number, then it's going to be 6 over 6. And the answer is 1. That's it for today. Thank you very much. Let's meet again next time. Cheers.